at going through this question 8. That means all of those questions related to chapter 14 and 15 will be going through it. So for question 8, they say that the data shows parking time in minutes of 20 cars at a car park. So you need to complete the tally chart below to represent the data. So this tally, like I mentioned, it's just to like record down how many times this particular data fits in this class interval. This one is an example of a group data, whereby you group all the data right in the particular range. So for the data between 30 to 60, right, there are like 4 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the rest of the data, right, I just need to count how many data fit in the region. After that, put down the frequency. The frequency just means the number of tallies that you are counting. So for the frequency over here, we need to use you need to draw the histogram. So this one is the class interval, right? So your rectangular bar should be drawn in between two numbers. So for the range between 0 to 30, there are 5 of them. So between 0 to 30, you draw up to 5. The next one will be 4. So this one will be... Okay, so please use a ruler to draw, because I using a mouse to draw. This one will be 60. So I draw up to 4. Use a ruler, a pencil. The next one is 60 to 90, and it has a frequency of 8. This one, 90. So you must be asking, right, how do I know like how far do I draw apart? So you follow the first one. So 10 small boxes represent one range of 30. So that means my next few range, right, will be like 10 small boxes also. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I put 60. 10 boxes, 90. And 10 boxes, 120. So 90 is their frequency of 8. Let me try to draw again. Please use a ruler to draw in the exam, because I don't have a pen to draw. That's why I need to draw freehand. Okay, so this is how I draw my histogram. So if there's no fee for parking 30 minutes or less, you need to calculate the percentage of car that do not need to pay this parking fee. So what does it mean? It just means, right, you need to find all the data that falls within the first class interval that's have parking time of 0 to 30. So there are 5 of them. So I take 5 over 20, because 20 is the total number of cars, times 100%, which give me 25%. So question 9, how many students are there in the group? Basically, you just need to count how many dots are there. So there are 19 dots, that's why it's 19. So how many students score 4 marks? Is 0, because there's no dots here. And what is the most common from question 10? This one is a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram, and it shows the mark of which is into 2B. So for modern MO, so the one most of students ask you to find. So you know the data students they are 10, and you need the position of last one give you of 5 means 6. So you 3 is 54 position, which is 54 plus 50 divided by 2, 5 mean right students. So in this case, it will be 48.9. So for part B, they say if the passing mark for the quiz is 35, find the percentage of students who pass in group B. So you need to count the number of students who got more than 35 or exactly 35 marks. So in this case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 students. So that's why I take 9 over 12 because there are 12 students in group B times 100%, which give me 75%. So which group do you think did better for the quiz? So this one is similar to your workbook questions. So how to know, right? Basically, you just need to see how is the data being distributed in these two groups. So you notice that for group A, right, there are more students, right, who score higher marks, right, as compared to group B. That's why you can just say that group A did better than group B, as it means it's higher than that of group B. Because when you have like more values that are of a higher values, right, it means, right, when you take the average will be higher as compared to another group. So for question 11, they say find the median of these data sets. So first step, arrange the numbers in order, and you need to count how many data are there. So there are 12. So to find the position of the median, you need to take 12 plus 1 divided by 2. So you realize that the position of the median is at 6.5, which is between 6 and 7. So you look out for the data at 5th and 6th and 7th position, which is 5 and 6. So you take 5 plus 6 divided by 2. This will give you the median, which is 5.5. So for question 12, they say find the median of the money earning. So first step, you arrange in order, and the number of employee will be 9 employee. After they find the position, then you realize that it's at the 5th position. So that's why the median is 1,510. To find the mean, right, is the total earning. Means you add up all the earnings by all the 9 employee and divide by 9. So you get 2540. So the last part over here, they say, right, compare answer with part A and B. Which one will give a better representation? So in this case, the answer will be part A. Because we notice that there's extreme values over here, which is like 10,950 as the earning of a person, while the rest, right, is all in the lower range between around 1,000 to 2,000. This one is like a outlier, extreme value. Anyway, you can say that answer in A give a better representation as we are using median. Median is not affected by the extreme values or outlier. And to explain why does it better, right, you can say that as one employee earn far above the rest. So for question 13, the last one, they say find the model class. So the model class, right, will be the one that shows the highest frequency. So in this case, it will be between 6 to 8 because it has a value of 25. So to find the estimate mean weekly saving in this case, and you realize that you're unable to find out what are the individual values, right, that falls within that range. You're not given the exact value. So what do? So we take the middle value of each class interval. So between 0 to 2, right, I take 1 as the middle value. So how do I get 1, right? You just take 0 plus 2 divided by 2, which will give you 1. So I take 5, number of frequency, times the middle value, which is 1. 5 times 1. 15 times 3, 20 times 5, 25 times 7, 10 times 9. So all those 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? These are all the middle value of this 5 class interval. And I divide by 75 as there are 75 employees, no, not employees, yes, there are 75 students in these questions. So I add them up and divide by 75. So some of you might ask, right, what if I take 1 times 5, 3 times 15, 5 times 20, 7 times 25, 9 times 10? What if I just swap the order of the multiplication? It will still give you the same thing, add them out. So I realized that the estimated mean will be $5.53. So this one is rough to the nearest cents. So if you have any questions regarding this video, you can always text to us, or we can arrange some online consultation. So I can do whatever I can to help you, but you must first help yourself first by doing the questions. So now it's 11:51 p.m. So happy learning. Anything you can just ask. Thank you.